seen Bonnie today?
I thought he was still asleep.
What's that?
We gotta find him. We've looked everywhere. Alright, let's give this cheat code a try. A, B, B, yodel a little, yodel a hee-hoo, B, B, up, kick the machine 8 times. Forward, back, 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 left, up, right, circle, right, back, left, left, B, B, type 1987 on the side of the machine, and forward! Why, hello there. My name is Freddy Fazbear.
Success! Another foe defeated!
Oh, I can never show my face on stage again after this.
Well, can't you just fix it?
That's the thing. I've tried, but I can't find a way to get rid of it. That's why I started wearing my top hat. I'm just stuck as a freak for the rest of my days.
Wait a minute! This is a cartoon, right? Doesn't that mean we can just...
Whoa! Way to go, Foxy! Yeah!
Wait, Foxy? What was all that about this being a cartoon?